Hi, I'm Mary Director and I'm a Fun Stampers Journey Coach. Let me give you a little information about myself. I have a blog. It's createscardsjourney.blogspot.com. I do have a business website, which is funstampersjourney.com/Mary Director. And I'm also on Facebook, facebook.com/createscardsjourney. Today's project is going to be this cute chocolate bar cover. The ribbon actually slides off so that the candy bar will just pull out, and then you can put the ribbon back on. This one's for Valentine's Day, but you could use these for any type of party favor, occasion that you just wanted to give a little gift. They're easy to make. All it needs is a little bit of cardstock, a flat chocolate bar, and some imagination. I'm going to use Pomegranate Splash, which is CS-0027. I'm also using Blooms in Boots, which is a 2-stamp set. It's an ATS, which is an artist trading stamp. This is a Bloom Benefit, so this one would be one that you could earn with a $75 order. I'm also using Journey Girl Stripes ribbon. This is AC-0158. Let's get started. The cardstock I'm using, as I said, is the Pomegranate Splash. I'm using a piece of cardstock that is 6.5 by 6.5, and I'm also using a 15-inch piece of ribbon. You may find you could use a little bit less. And I'm also using our Easy Glide adhesive. You go ahead and you put your chocolate bar flat on the piece of cardstock. You take some type of scoring tool, whether it's a regular tool for scoring or whether you want to use your crease tool. This would work too. And all you do is you go through and you score right on the edge of the candy bar. Doesn't have to be exact. And then I come in and I'm going to fold this. Now I'm going to put the candy bar straight up. And let me do it this way. Then the little covers will fold in instead of outward. So I've got this straight up and down. I'm going to do the same thing. The candy bar is up against the wrapper. I'm going to fold it over. We're making the actual little creases for the side here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to crease right along the edge. Fold it up. And then I'm going to come right along the edge here. Crease again. And over. I'm going to open it up. As you can see, I've got 4 creases now. It's not an exact science. Quickly, just go in, do this. You could use your crease tool if you wanted to make them even, a more crisp fold. But, I mean, look how quick and easy this was. And then we're going to do this. And that one's off just a little bit. Just a quick party favor, treat for Valentine's Day. Okay, I'm going to put the bottom of the candy bar up. And this will come up and over. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of our adhesive and I'm going to go right along the edge. I'm actually going to put 2 rows on here because I want it to, be firmly attached. Okay, I line up my candy bar, bring this up and over, push the candy bar, no. Oh, there we go. I'll just push it this way. Okay, push it. Okay, the candy bar doesn't show on either end. They can come in, pull it right out. The ribbon goes on like this. This is my fold here. This is where I did the glue. So I'm going to bring this up and over. Okay, this is the end that I'm going to go on top of the ribbon over here. So I'm going to put my adhesive here, and I'm going to put cotton itself. There we go, just a couple rows of it. Okay, again, I'm going to center. Bring it up and over, adhering it. And again, this now is just going to slide on and off. See how easy it slides? I'm going to take one of my little boots, put it right there. Perfect for Valentine's Day, for Easter, for a shower, anything you want where you're going to give this as a little gift. Now, when you adhere this to the ribbon, make sure your adhesive is just down the middle, and that you don't get any of the adhesive over here, because that will secure your ribbon and it won't come off. If you do that, they'll have to destroy the whole package to get to the candy bar. And this is being honest, that's what's happened with this one. I actually wasn't thinking when I made my very first one, and I've glued it so that the decoration is glued to the cover. And so now the only way you can get to the candy bar is to literally rip this apart. So this was a faux pas. It still turned out cute, but just so you're aware, you want to be careful with that. Our foam squares, these are the medium-sized ones. These are AD-0085. These are going to be perfect because they're a little bit smaller than what the ribbon is. This is a pretty much straight up and down design, so this works well. Another design that worked really well is our standing unicorn. I did some of these with the unicorn and they were just so cute. This unicorn I don't have the main colored in yet, but this is just to give you an idea. So there's lots of choices on designs that you could use. Okay. This will just take a second to get this off. But see how quick and easy this was? I mean, this will just be a great gift item. It's cute. It's something you made. You could do these for any occasion. So here's the two different designs. And again, if done properly, this will just slide right off and the candy bar will pull right out. Thank you so much for watching my video today. What I would like to show you before I close is a couple other of the boots that I colored in. The blooms in boots. Here's one in blues and lavenders. And then one with yellows. Just a lot of fun. I love this stamp. When I saw it done up on some of the other coaches' websites, I had to get the stamp set for myself. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my video today. Thanks for stopping by. And again, if you'd like to order any Fun Stampers Journey products, I'm at funstampersjourney.com/MaryDirector.